Ever notice that tiny radioactive symbol on your smoke detector? It's not just decoration. There's actual radioactive material inside. Most ionization smoke detectors contain a tiny amount of americium-241, a man-made radioactive element. It emits alpha particles, fast-moving helium nuclei that ionize the air, knocking electrons off atoms and creating a tiny electric current between two metal plates. That current is perfectly normal until smoke gets in. Smoke particles disrupt the ionization process, breaking the current. The detector senses the change, and that annoying beep beep kicks in, which could literally save your life. Here's the wild part. Alpha particles can travel up to 15,000 kilometers per second, but they can't even penetrate a sheet of paper. So yes, it's radioactive, but as long as you don't open it, it's basically safe. Of course, there are also photoelectric detectors